Your world is slowly losing its color, its sharpness. You blame the years, but what if you're blaming the wrong thing? There's an invisible battle happening inside your eyes every second, and you can give your body the exact shield it needs to win. Stay with me, because the specific seed I'm about to reveal is nature's most overlooked defense for your precious sight: invisible fading. There is a unique kind of quiet fear that accompanies the gradual loss of sight. It doesn't arrive like a sudden storm. It creeps in like a slow fog. It's in the moment you have to hold the newspaper further away, the struggle to read the instructions on a medicine bottle, or the devastating realization that the faces of your grandchildren are becoming just a little bit softer, a little less defined. This isn't vanity. This is about connection. Vision is our primary link to the world, to the people we love, to the beauty that surrounds us. To feel that link fraying is to feel a fundamental part of yourself slipping away. We often resign ourselves to this, accepting it as an inevitable tax that comes with a long life. But this resignation is based on a misunderstanding of what is truly happening. At the very back of your eye lies a tiny, miraculous part of your anatomy called the retina. And at the center of the retina is an even smaller, more critical area called the macula. The macula is responsible for your sharp, detailed, central vision, the vision you use to read, to drive, to recognize a familiar face across the room. Everything that makes life clear and distinct is processed by this tiny spot. As we age, this precious area is under constant assault from a lifetime of exposure to light. Sunlight, indoor lighting, screens, all of this light energy, particularly the high-energy blue and ultraviolet wavelengths, creates immense oxidative stress within the retina. Think of it as a form of biological rust, accumulating over decades and causing cellular damage. This slow, cumulative damage is at the heart of age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, the leading cause of severe vision loss in people over 60. The cells in the macula, starved and damaged by this oxidative stress, begin to die off. The result is that the world starts to blur from the center outwards. Straight lines may appear wavy, and a dark, fuzzy spot can form right in the middle of your vision. It is a frightening and isolating condition. The medical world offers treatments to slow its progression in the later stages, but the most powerful strategy we have is prevention. It's about providing the macula with a built-in natural defense system before the damage becomes irreversible. The crucial point here is that your body, in its profound wisdom, has a mechanism to protect itself. There are specific nutrients that act as a shield, absorbing this damaging light before it can ever reach the delicate photoreceptor cells of the macula. However, your body cannot produce these protective nutrients on its own. They must be obtained consistently and deliberately from your diet. The fading of your vision is not an inevitability. It is very often a symptom of a long-term nutritional deficiency. And today, we are going to correct that, starting with a simple, powerful seed. Natural shield. If your eyes are under constant attack from light, then what they need is their own internal armor. Nature, in its incredible design, has provided exactly that. There are two specific carotenoid pigments, two powerful antioxidants, called lutein and zeaxanthin. I want you to think of these two compounds as your internal sunglasses. They are unique because they have the specific ability to travel through your bloodstream and accumulate in a very precise location, your macula. In fact, the macula is yellow in color precisely because it is saturated with these yellow pigments. This is not a coincidence. This is a design feature. Their primary job is to filter out and absorb the most damaging high-energy blue and ultraviolet light, acting as a physical shield that stops this radiation before it can harm the delicate retinal cells behind it. When your diet is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, you are constantly replenishing this protective shield. You are keeping your internal sunglasses dark and effective. But when your diet lacks these crucial nutrients, your macular pigment becomes thin and weak. The shield wears down and more of that damaging blue light penetrates deep into the retina, accelerating the process of oxidative stress and cellular breakdown. This is why a diet rich in leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale is so often recommended for eye health. They are a fantastic source of these specific carotenoids. However, there is another critical component to this shield, another defender that works in a different, equally important way. This second defender is vitamin E. If lutein and zeaxanthin are the shield that blocks the light, vitamin E is the medic that repairs the damage that gets through. It is a fat-soluble antioxidant, which means its specialty is protecting the fatty cell membranes of your body from oxidative damage. The cells of your retina, your photoreceptors, have a very high concentration of fragile fatty acids in their outer membranes. These are prime targets for free radical attack. Vitamin E selflessly positions itself within these membranes and neutralizes free radicals on contact, stopping a destructive chain reaction before it can begin. It is the guardian of the structural integrity of your retinal cells. Without sufficient vitamin E, the cell walls become brittle and are easily damaged, leading to cell death and the progression of vision loss. So we have a two-part defensive strategy. We need the light-filtering shield of lutein and zeaxanthin, and we need the cell-protecting guardian, vitamin E. A lack of either one leaves your eyes critically vulnerable. The challenge for many seniors is getting enough of these nutrients in a concentrated, easy-to-consume form. And this is where a specific, humble seed comes into play. It is one of the most concentrated, powerful, and accessible sources of this cellular guardian, vitamin E, that exists on the planet, making it an indispensable part of any strategy to preserve your vision for the long term. Power seed. The moment has come to reveal this simple, potent key to protecting your eyes. We are talking about sunflower seeds. Before you dismiss this as too simple, understand the science behind why this specific seed is so profoundly effective. A single ounce of raw, unsalted sunflower seeds provides nearly half of your entire daily requirement for vitamin E. This is a massive, clinically significant dose of the most important fat-soluble antioxidant for your retinal health. By incorporating just a small handful of these seeds into your daily routine, you are providing your body with a powerful arsenal to combat the oxidative stress that is relentlessly aging your eyes. You are directly reinforcing the cellular walls of your retina, making them stronger and more resilient against the daily assault of light. But their benefits don't stop there. Sunflower seeds are also a good source of zinc, another mineral that is absolutely critical for vision. Zinc is a helper molecule that is required to transport vitamin A from your liver to your retina. Vitamin A is used to produce melanin, a protective pigment in the eye. Zinc also plays a role in the function of many antioxidant enzymes in your body. Having a deficiency in zinc has been directly linked to an increased risk of macular degeneration. The synergy between the powerful dose of vitamin E and the essential zinc found in sunflower seeds makes them a true powerhouse for eye protection. Now, to make this strategy complete, we need to bring in another ally. While sunflower seeds are the heroes of vitamin E and zinc, they are not the best source for another critical nutrient, omega-3 fatty acids. Specifically, a type of omega-3 called DHA is a major structural component of the retina itself. Maintaining healthy levels of DHA is essential for retinal function and also helps to combat inflammation, another key driver of eye disease. To create the ultimate eye-protecting habit, I want you to combine your daily handful of sunflower seeds with a tablespoon of freshly ground flax seeds or chia seeds. These tiny seeds are bursting with plant-based omega-3s. You can stir them into oatmeal, blend them in a smoothie, or sprinkle them over yogurt alongside your sunflower seeds. This combination creates a complete synergistic shield. The sunflower seeds deliver the vitamin E and zinc to protect the cell membranes and support enzyme function. The flax or chia seeds deliver the omega-3s to maintain the physical structure of the retina and reduce inflammation. And when you eat these alongside a diet that includes lutein and zeaxanthin from leafy greens, you have constructed the most robust, multifaceted, natural defense system possible for your precious sight. It's about combining these elements into a daily ritual. This isn't a quick fix. It's the dedicated daily practice of arming your body with the exact tools it needs to protect itself from the inside out. Wider world. The incredible thing about adopting this habit is that its benefits extend far beyond your eyes. The very same mechanisms that protect your retina are working to protect your entire body. The vitamin E you get from the sunflower seeds is a guardian for every cell membrane you have, from your skin cells to the neurons in your brain. This helps to maintain skin elasticity and can protect your brain from the oxidative stress implicated in cognitive decline. You are not just saving your sight, you are protecting your mind and your skin. This is the beauty of holistic, food-based medicine. The solutions are rarely isolated to a single problem. They promote systemic wellness. The omega-3 fatty acids from the flax and chia seeds are renowned for their heart protective and anti-inflammatory effects. The same inflammation that damages the tiny delicate blood vessels in your retina also damages the larger blood vessels leading to your heart and brain. By incorporating these seeds, you're actively lowering systemic inflammation, reducing your risk of heart disease, and supporting better cognitive function. The zinc from the sunflower seeds is essential for a healthy immune system and for proper wound healing. By focusing on nourishing your eyes, you inadvertently upgrade the health of your entire body. This creates a powerful, positive feedback loop. As you begin to feel better, with more stable energy and perhaps less joint achiness from the anti-inflammatory effects, you become more motivated to continue. It transforms from a chore into a rewarding act of self-care. It replaces the fear of what you might lose with the empowerment of what you are actively preserving. This shift in mindset is just as important as the nutrients themselves. You are moving from a position of passive decline to one of active, graceful stewardship of your own health. So as you enjoy your daily handful of seeds, I want you to see it not just as food, but as a commitment. It is a promise you make to yourself to preserve the vibrancy of your world. It's a promise that you will continue to see the deep blues of the ocean, the rich greens of a forest, and most importantly, the clear, loving light in the eyes of the people you cherish. The health of your eyes is the health of your connection to life itself. Nurture it, protect it, and you will keep your world beautifully in focus for all the years to come.